Let's create the walls of the ground floor. Walls in VisualARQ can be created either as if we were drawing polylines following straight paths or from curves, choosing this from curves option. We're going to use the first option for the interior walls and the from curves option for exterior ones and those pieces that are curved. So, working from the top viewport, we are running the wall command. We are choosing some insert options, for example the style that determines the thickness of the wall as well as the layers of the wall. For example, we can choose a generic 200 millimeters and start drawing following the bitmap below. We can choose the proper alignment, for example right. Actually in this case we're going to choose a different style, for example the 100 generic millimeters, and just follow the bitmap below. Now, for the exterior walls, we can run the wall from curve command. We're going to select generic 200 millimeters now and select this polyline. We can see that the alignment is already correct, and we can just remove those walls that are actually curtain walls in the project. In this case, we should split this wall into two, and we're going to use the split command that we can find under the VisualARQ edit toolbar. So we select the wall, we'll choose the point option in the command line and pick this point to split this wall into two. We can now remove this wall. There is still one missing wall we need to draw, which is this one in arced path. So we're going to draw an arc first. We'll choose this option to draw an arc from this point to this point up to this point. And now we're going to select the wall from curves. We will choose the generic 100 millimeters and pick this curve. In case you have chosen the wrong alignment, you can edit these wall features from the properties panel. So we select the wall and we can now change the alignment. We can choose left, or in this case we should choose right alignment. Now, there is also this curved path that we can create repeating the same operation, drawing an arc, but in this case we will use the Fillet command that you can find under the VisualARQ edit tools. So we can run this Fillet command, set the radius to 1, join, we will choose no, and just select first segment and second segment to have a fillet connection between these two walls. Finally, VisualARQ walls can be also edited through control points. For example, in this case, if we want to stretch this piece of wall, we can select it, turn its control points on, and now we can see that we have one control point at the base line of the wall, which let us move this endpoint at any position. We will undo this by now, or we can use this extension arrow that lets us stretch the wall following the direction of the wall. We will repeat the same operation with this other piece of wall. And in case of walls created from curves, like this one, if we activate the control points, we can see that they are the same as the original curve that this wall was created from. So that lets us create walls following any path.